Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how I create viral UGC ads using AI. So basically we will be using ChatGPT, Gemini AI. You can also use Leonardo AI if you want to create videos, but this time we will be using first the ChatGPT to understand how to create viral UGC ads using AI. So step one, you need to understand what makes UGC viral. You have to read the following here and what is UGC. Now, if you know it already and if you have an idea what or how to create this one, then the first thing to do here is to go to ChatGPT. So first, you need to ask ChatGPT for a prompt, then Gemini AI to generate image. But actually, ChatGPT can also generate image. But for me, for realistic images, I would rather choose a Gemini AI. So you can also generate images using Leonardo AI or even video, but you need to create an account. And don't worry, this one is for free, but with limited coins. So first, we're going to use ChatGPT. So you have already the idea of what UGC is. Now we will be creating script. You can use this one or you can also create your own prompt. So for example, you will be selling or you will be promoting a soap or acne whitening soap or whatever you want. So all you have to do is to copy this, paste the prompt in ChatGPT and replace this with the product that you want to promote. Okay, so for example, I will be promoting a soap, particularly in acne soaps. I'm going to add more information about my products. And then after that, tap enter. Then ChatGPT will generate or will produce a that script for you, the hook, and so on. So all you have to do is to copy this and then paste this to, for example, 11 Labs, or even you can use CapCut for text to speech. Now, before creating or adding a voiceover or text to speech, you can now create a video for production. So you can use Leonardo AI or you can use other tools. So there are tons of AI tools that you can use in order for you to generate a video. But first, if you want to generate a video from a specific or using a specific picture, you need to generate a picture first. So you can create a prompt from ChatGPT, paste it to Gemini AI, press enter, and then Gemini AI will create that picture for you, a realistic picture. Download this, then you can go to any AI tools for free, then convert this image into video. So you can use Leonardo AI for that. And all you have to do is to create an account. But if it seems like it's kind of difficult, for you, then you can also go to Google and then search for AI tools or image to video tools or text to video tools here in your Google. But there are some AI tools or website that is not for free like this one. All you have to do is to generate or add a prompt right here, add a frame. That means you need to upload the picture. It's like converting your image to video using the photo that you have uploaded or generated from Gemini AI and also adding the script from ChatGPT. But unfortunately, this AI tool or website is not for free. So you need to upgrade your plan or buy coins in order for you to generate a video like this one as a sample. You can also use a site the-id, but it's the same thing. You only have one credit for trial, but it's very simple. All you have to do is to upload the photo and then add a script right here, then generate the video. So you just have to wait. Then after that, you will see the result that the image right here is converted into video with the script. So all you have to do is to just upgrade your plan or buy some coins in order for or credits in order for you to generate a video. Then that's it. It's ready to post. So just picture and then paste the script, then generate the video. So basically that's it. So I'm going to show you the example, but you need to really upgrade your plan to remove watermarks. This is what it looks like. So the mouth is synchronized with the script and the word. So that's the good thing about this D-ID. So if you just want to create a simple one, then all you have to do is just go to Leonardo AI Copy a prompt, paste it right here, upload the photo or the picture that you have created using the Gemini AI, and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating. So you have to upload the picture first. Okay, and then you have to wait, click generate, and then make sure that your prompt is correct. Make sure also that if possible, you need to highlight that you want the whole picture or the whole face of the image. So this is what it looks like. So sometimes it depends on your prompt. So make sure that your prompt is specific. So what you're going to do is download this, go to CapCut, upload the video, and then next is you're going to copy the script and then paste it in the text. So you have to tap on the text right here and then paste the text, look for text to speech, and then look for the specific voice that you want to add. And then after that, you can now export this one. So as a simple way on how to create viral UGC ads using AI. This is the simplest way, but I would recommend that you try those AI tools, even though they're not for free, but the results are the best. So all you have to do is to upgrade plan or buy some credits or coins. But if you just want a simple one, then you can follow this instruction. You just need ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Leonardo AI, and then CapCut. You don't need 11 labs to do that. You just need CapCut in order for you to upload the video and then add text to speech. So basically that's it. I really hope that this video helped you. As a result, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.